Well, quiet and dry weather expected for the next several hours, but there is the chance for a brief window of some light sprinkles overnight. Right now, temperatures are well above freezing, and that means anything that falls from the sky is likely to be rain, not snow showers. We're looking at a light breeze this evening, only 3 miles an hour for those dinner and late night plans, and for the most part, dry conditions looking downtown over the city. Here's a look at current temperatures. Down to 40 degrees in Hancock County, 38 in Putnam County. Off to the east, we've got some 30s on the board along the lakefront and 41 degrees in Oak Harbor. Let me show you where those sprinkles are coming from. Let's look to the west near the Chicagoland area. A light region of some very light rain showers will impact the region by midnight or so. These are slowly moving in from the west to east and crossing over into Indiana and eventually Ohio. Let's break down the hourly timing. By 11 o'clock tonight, could see a brief sprinkle in Napoleon down towards Kalida. Areas like Williams and Defiance counties also seeing some light rain showers. And if the mercury does plunge to near freezing, Hillsdale could get a brief snow flurry this evening. Those rain showers going to be gone before you know it by 2 in the morning, quickly racing to the east of I-75, moving into Erie and Huron counties, as well as Wyandotte and Crawford counties by 2 o'clock tonight. Those are going to be history overnight, and by the time you wake up Sunday morning, you won't even know that it rained. It is going to be a mostly cloudy day with drying conditions into the afternoon, mainly gloomy skies with the chance for a few glimpses of sunshine. High temperatures on Sunday will be in the mid-40s, which is milder than average, but it will still be a little bit bleak looking for the day. Your forecast: 44 degrees, the high temperature, mainly cloudy skies. Our best chance to see a few peaks of sunshine, that is going to be during the afternoon hours. That'll be a nice treat after this gloomy and bleak stretch of weather. Winds are going to be on the light side, 5 to 10 miles an hour out of the northwest expected for your Sunday. Now, we're already looking ahead to our next storm system. The work week's going to start off really quiet, but by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we are pinpointing a region of rain and possibly some wintry mix moving on through. Let's break down the hourly timing. We're starting things off Wednesday morning. Now, notice the temperature, we're well above the freezing mark, and this green color shows you temps above freezing and rain likely. On the back edge of this low, there is some colder air that could produce some snow on the northern sector of this system. Let's set the clock into motion. Wednesday evening, still seeing temperatures well above freezing with a band of rain, and you'll notice you have to go way far to the northwest up to northern Wisconsin before snow occurs. Let's fast forward that clock into Thursday, nearing the freezing mark with some snow entering western central Michigan. Looks like we'll still be on the rainy side of things in northwest Ohio. By Thursday morning, again, right on that rain snow line, and the trajectory of this system, whether it shifts a little to the north, a little to the south, a little to the east or west, that'll dictate whether we see a wintry mix or exclusively rain. As of now, it looks like our Ohio viewers have the best chance to see some rain, and Michigan friends, best chance to see a little bit of snow. Let's advance that clock into Friday. Here's where it gets a little bit murky. We could briefly dry things out before some of that cold air on the back edge of this low sweeps in and creates a wintry mix with some snow flurries by Friday. Stay tuned to the WTOL 11 weather team as we fine-tune the details of that timing. One thing's for sure, by the end of my 10-day forecast, cold air spills in from the north, and we get an Arctic cold front that'll send those temperatures down to the 30s. Now, it'll be cold enough that we could see some snow chances by Christmas. Will we get the right system that produces that Christmas snow? Time will tell, but at least with this colder air, we have the potential to see some wintry precipitation looking ahead towards Christmas. Looking at the start of the work week, temperatures are going to be in the 40s Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday, all in the low 40s. And one of the reasons I expect Toledo to be mainly rainy through this system is because our high temperatures are going to top out in the 40s this week. Latter half of the work week, we drop down to the 30s, and by next weekend, highs barely making it to the mid 30s. Here's that WTOL 11 10-day forecast, and you can tune in tonight at 11 for the latest, as well as Sunday morning with our meteorologist, Matt Willoughby. To recap, that storm system arrives Wednesday. There is the potential for a wintry mix, mainly across to the north of the state line. Into Thursday, rain showers with flurries wrapping up on Friday, and look at those temperatures plunge. Next weekend's looking dry as of now with high temperatures in the mid-30s, and with this cooler air mass in place, there is the chance that we could see a storm system before Christmas. As of now, it is Wednesday through Friday that our focus is on for our next storm system. Quiet weather towards the end of the 10-day. Temperatures cooler than average in the 30s.